Is your Mac cam refusing to cooperate for your video calls or recordings? Let's get that camera working again, step by step. First, we need to dive into your Mac's privacy settings. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Preferences. This is where we manage most of your Mac settings. In the System Preferences window, locate and click on the Security and Privacy icon. It usually looks like a house with a padlock. Now, click on the Privacy tab at the top on the left-hand side. Scroll down and find the camera option. Click on that. You'll now see a list of all the applications that have requested access to your camera. To allow access for a specific app, simply click on the checkbox next to its name. You might notice that you can't check the boxes. If that's the case, you'll need to unlock these settings. Click the padlock icon in the bottom left corner. You'll be prompted to enter your Mac's password or use your Touch ID. Enter your credentials to make changes. Once unlocked, you can now go back and check the box next to any application you want to grant camera access to. For example, if you're having trouble with FaceTime, make sure its box is ticked. After you've made your selections, you can close System Preferences. For some applications, you might need to restart them for the changes to take effect. And that's it. Your camera should now be accessible to the applications you've authorized. If you're still experiencing issues, double-check that your webcam is correctly connected and that the specific app isn't blocking access within its own settings.